Students, the question is how to delete. Okay, you know that the advantage of linked list is you can also delete the nodes anytime. So removing a node from the list, you can remove a node either from the front, the end, or from anywhere. Okay, in the list. The worst time complexity for performing this operation is as follows. Remove item from the first node, that is order of 1, and remove item from the end of the list, that is order of n, and remove item from anywhere, that is also order of n. So how to remove this one? Okay, and how it is working today we will explain. Okay, so you have to remember only 2 or 3 lines. I told you all the students in my classes you have to remember only 2 or 3 lines. Okay, in all the programming. Okay, whatever we are teaching, we will every time we will teach you, because we are teaching you data structure. Okay, so we have to think about the time complexity and space complexity. Okay, whenever you are writing any program. So in place of tail we have written PREB. Okay, so here we will not explain the doubly. At first we are coming delete. Okay, for the delete again you will write int I and pos. Okay, I means any variable and pos means position. Again you will write by the help of struct node you will initialize one pointer star p and star PREB. Actually both are object according to class. Okay, so now where you want to which node you want to delete. Okay, it is asking the position. Suppose in your exam the teacher has asked you have to delete the initial node. Okay, in this condition you have to write pos is equal to 0. Okay, so in my algorithm you have to remember only these 2 lines, and after then free only 3 lines. Remember only 3 lines if you will write, you will get full marks. Okay, so how it is working I will show you. So how it is working I will show you. So this is the at first our target. Okay, these are the node. Suppose the user has input 3 node. The first node is 10. Okay, means head, it is pointing to head, and second is 20, and third is 30. Okay, you know that when the user has input 3 nodes. Okay, so the address it will be here, the address it will be here. Okay, in the next. Okay, this is a pointer. Okay, so its name is also p, its name is also p, its also name is also p. But when you created many nodes, so at last your PREB and p was pointing here. If you are not getting, you must go in the previous lecture, then you can understand how it is working. So when the user input 3 nodes, at last your PREB and p was pointing to this position. Okay, this is the main thing. So at first if your position is 0, means if suppose the user want to free this one, means delete this 10, in this condition you have to write head is equal to head dot next. Means you will not write this. Your compiler is working from right to left. We are saying head dot next is head. Okay, head dot next is head, meaning okay, what is head? Head, it's head. Its next is A means this. Okay, we are saying this is head. Now this is not head, this is head, and free this one. Done. Very simple. We are saying this is head na, and here next is address of this. We are saying its next is head and free this one. So it means that your in your linked list there are only 2 nodes. Very simple. What we are saying, only 1 line. Head dot next is head and free 20, means sorry, free PREB. Okay, so before this we have written head is PREB. Remember, before this we have written head is PREB, means we are saying that we have to remove also the PREB also. Okay, so head was here, we are saying this is PREB. Okay, then after then in the program what we have written, we are saying head is PREB. Okay, means head was at the initial position and the value was 10. We are saying head is PREB, means head was assigning to PREB, means address of head is PREB. Getting? Address of head and PREB both are same, means address of head and PREB both are same, meaning of this. So address of head, what is the address, and PRV both are same, means both are pointing here. The next line we have written head dot next is head. We are saying head dot next, head, its next is this address of this. Okay, now this is head, then free this one. Okay, don't think about PRV, don't think about PRV. Done. Okay, only 2 lines we have done. Now suppose your teacher will ask delete the last one or delete the any position, 3rd position, 4th position, 5th position. How will you work? So the else will work. In the else you have to remember only 2 or 3 lines. At first you have to remember that you will write this PRV is equal to head, means head is pointing to PRV. Meaning of this head, what is head? You know that head is all time the head is position is same, all time head position is same. Okay, we are saying this is head. Okay, this is also PRV, means PRV and head both address are same. Done. Suppose user has written position is equal to 2, suppose, and there are only 3 nodes, 1 2 3. Okay, position is equal to 2. In this condition what will happen? Head, we have written head is equal to PRV, means now head is this. Okay, PRV is also this. Okay, now the next line we have written for I is equal to 0, I is less than pos and I plus plus. Pos is what is pos? Pos is 2. So it means that pos is less than, means it will work only 2 times, means 0 and 1. If I is equal to 0, we are saying PRV is equal to P, means address of PRV is going to P. Address of PRV is going to P, means P point to 10. Okay, you know that already we have written this is PRV. Now we are calling to P. Now this is also P. We are saying this is head. Okay. After then we have written head and PRV both address are same. After then we are writing this is also P, means all are, means P, PRV and head. Okay, all address are same. We are saying. Okay, meaning of this. So it means that address of PRV is, means PRV is pointing to P. Okay, so now next line we have written PRV dot next. Okay, this is PRV, this is PRV. It's next address of this. Okay, address of this is PRV next here. Okay, so what we have written, address of PRV dot next. PRV dot next is actually 20. Okay, now this is PRV. Getting? Very simple. So address of this here we are saying now this is PRV. This is PRV. So PRV is moving from here to here. Okay. So meaning of this means PRV is 20. Getting? Now after then done, we have done I is equal to 0, we have done. Now I is equal to 1. For I is equal to 1, same process. Now we are saying PRV is equal to P. Again we are saying PRV is equal to P. Meaning is PRV is equal to P. Meaning is before P was here PRV, after then PRV, when I is equal to 0 PRV is here. We are saying this is also P. So every time P is also traveling, PRV is also trailing, but head position is remain same every time. So here P is also here. We are saying P is also here. Okay, so PRV is, means address of PRV and P both are same. Then we have written again same line PRV dot next. Okay, what is PRV? Now PRV has come here. It's next holding the address of this. Now we are saying it is holding the address of this. This is PRV, means this is PRV. So now you have come here. Second time you have come here, means 30. PRV is 30. Okay, done. So at last in your program, at last you have written P dot next. P dot next is equal to PRV dot next. Actually, what is PRV? Now you can see that P is here, but PRV is here. Its next is null, and we want to delete this one. So what we will say? Its next is address of this. Now its next, this is P. Its next is null. We will say its next is null. Null means address of this, and in this address null. Getting? Very simple. What we are saying? PRV next. PRV next is null. Is P dot next, means then it's this is P, its next was address. Now we are putting null here, and at last we will free this 30. So what is this? This is PRV. The name of this box is PRB, name of this box is P. Okay, so in this condition, what will happen? At last, what we have written? At last, what we have written? Free 30 means a free PRB. So we free, done. Very, very simple. Okay, I think that you understand. So in your program also we have written same. For I is equal to 0, I is less than 1. Only 2 lines. PRB is equal to P and PRB dot next is equal to PRB. Okay, and at last we have written only 1 line. Okay. What is the meaning of this? Already we have explained, and at last we free the whatever we want to delete, we free it. Okay, so this is very simple. So in our programming, you must note that you are in data structure. In the data structure, we have to save our time as well as space. So don't write garbage in your programming. Also, don't write garbage in your exam. You have to write only 3 or 2 lines, draw some figures, you will get full marks. Okay, I think that you are getting. So we have done everything, and after that we will start the linked list. Okay, I'm sorry, W linked list. Okay, so thank you so much.